the Houston Methodist Research Institute, we are very excited of having the opportunity to partner with other industries to perform research that otherwise could not be performed anywhere else.
From when we started in the early 2018, our collaboration with the Houston Methodist Research Center, we defined together that the most severe space where it's possible to investigate the behavior of our composite material was the space. We decided to send our CFRP on ISS station. In this system, it's possible to evaluate what happened in conditions that are the more extreme as possible, for example, with UV radiation, atomic oxygen, and the temperature gap difference that is one of the higher that is possible to have.
Automobili Lamborghini has a keen interest in testing their carbon fiber material on the International Space Station because it may set the foundation for 3D printed technologies farther down the road.
For the same reason, the Methodists decided to send the material on the ISS station because also they needed to check what happened in terms of biocompatibility of this material in this extreme condition.
This investigation will hopefully provide Automobili Lamborghini with insight on how to utilize their material beyond the automotive industry, as well as we hope that we will be able to leverage the same type of information for our research down here on Earth for biomedical applications.
We are very proud about the fact that we are the first car manufacturer to send our material on the ISS station. And due to this, to guarantee that in terms of performance, we have tested our material in the most extreme condition that everybody can imagine.